Welcome to my channel. My name is Jay Vizzle TV. Well, that's my name is Jay Vizzle, but just call me JV. And today, for our first video, we are going to be making Ninja Stars, or what people like to call it in Japan, shurikens. Boom! I made 4 of these babies, and I also made one that was just like this. I can't find it, so he's gonna stick with this. But anyway, have you guys ever heard of Naruto or watched it? Yeah, he's like my favorite, and that's how I came up with the shurikens. He has shurikens in there. Yeah, I think my favorite is either Kakashi or I forgot his name. But anyway, it's about to be lit. Make sure you like it down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Well, of course you all know this is my first channel, but subscribe to my channel and get ready to be amazed. And I forgot my scissors, which is a fail. So I might gonna have to go get them later on though. Anyway, first, step number 1, make sure you have your ingredients. Which is 2 sheets of paper, hands, fingers, arms, and scissors. Which I'm going to get right now. Wait, how do I, so, got the scissors. So, yeah, like I said, 2 papers, hands, and scissors. So, first thing you want to do, if you don't know how to do a fortune teller, and if you do, it's just the same first step. Hold on. I'm doing it right. Yep, I'm doing it right. Just like this. Make sure it's good. Make sure it's pointy at the end. Don't have to be perfect, but I like not perfect. Did you expect I'm a perfect guy? No, I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world. Do not believe what I just said. Nobody's perfect. So what you want to do to the other paper is make it do the opposite. See, look at me. Look. Watch this. Basically, the whole time you're making the papers opposite, but doing the same thing to them. Yep. Just like this. Next thing you want to do, and this is the only time you will need the scissors, to be honest. But anyway, next thing you want to do is you want to cut this right here. Cut this extra part off. Like, we don't need this. Like, what are you here for? We don't need you. You wasn't invited to the party. Like, hello. I need you here. Yeah, so do the same thing to the other paper. Anyway, I think I'm gonna be starting to make some Roblox videos, because Roblox, I used to always play Roblox. I kind of still do. And you know, this is so. Anyway, yeah, the only time I play Roblox is when I play with a friend or go over my friend's house. So the next step you want to do is open it up. Open it. Bro, I hate the last part. Like, it's kind of hard to show you. Then you want to make sure it's like this. The holes, like you write in the paper. So fold it in half like this, like you doing it horizontally, basically. Not gonna say hot dog, cause I am in 5th grade. You don't be saying no hot dogs or no hamburgers no more. Ooh, I would love a hot dog or a hamburger. Right now. Right about now. Big Billy Baby. So you do that to both papers. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure the open part is at the top. Well, it really don't matter, but then fold it one more time to make it look like a bookmark. To be honest, it really don't matter, but I really have the open part like at the top, and then fold it like this. But do that to both papers too. Then you'll see this little crease right here. Yeah, right there. See that little crease? And then on the other one, there should be a crease, right? There should be a crease too. Hold on. Right there. See that? And if you don't, they should be opposite. So what you want to do to the little creases is you want to fold it and make sure the thing is folded to where the crease is. And boom, there you have it. And do that to both of them, but make sure they're opposite. Because if you do it the same thing, you made a big mistake. There. So when you turn it upside down, you need to make sure before you do anything else, and this is what you have to do on my watch. You have to do this to make sure they look opposite, like that. Make sure it look like a kind of like a Y. Anyway, next thing you want to do, you want to take this. Look, you see that? You want to take this part, fold it. Sorry you can't see. Just like this. Fold it in there. Got it? Boy, do I hate the last part. Boy, oh boy, man. Yeah. Anyway, do that to both papers. Then you should be good right now. But the last one is kind of hard to explain. It's kind of hard to show you. I feel like I'm not going to do the last part. But I'm going to try my best. Because I never give up. Believe it. Anyway, fold this just like that. And do it to both sides on both papers. I kind of messed mine up, but it's alright. And then it should look like this. Every step I'm doing, you need to be doing. Like if you don't do that, then you don't have this packed down. Do it to both papers, both sides. Okay. Then make sure you do that hard, like hard if you want it to work. Like you should have both of them. Put both of them on the table or whatever you're doing them on. Fold them hard, just like this. Put them all there. Make sure you have something to smush them, because you need to fold it hard. I mean, you don't have to. You didn't really have to do this step, but I do it in order to make it work. Just like this. Smush, smush, smush. Smush, smush, smush. Smush, smush, smush. But anyway, if you want to learn some other ways, go ahead and watch other people plays. Maybe I got this from YouTube. I got this from y'all. There. So now what you want to do is open it back up just like this. Make it sure it looks just like this. I don't know what the heck that was. Just like this. Here comes the last part. So, you see this right here? You see that? Make sure that's in the outside. You see these? Hold on. You see these? Now, make sure you do this. Okay? Turn one of them just like this. Face this one like, oh my gosh. Make sure this part is in the outside. And do this. See? Outside. Outside. Alright? Now, I feel like I really don't want to show you. I'll do my best. Look. Put this in here. See, we got one thing packed down. Oh, snap. And put the other, look at this. We got one of them packed down. We have to do 8, I think. No, 4. Then put this inside of there just like that. So you'll still have 2 left after you do 2. Put them inside of a spot. If you didn't understand, then watch another episode. Well, not another episode, another YouTuber do it because I don't know how to show y'all. I really don't have them little headbands that you put your phone on to do this and show you what I'm doing. I really don't have that yet. Then it should look like this once you're done. It should look like this with that inside of the crease thingy. See, the crease thingy is open, so you can slip that right in there. Right? So snap. Boom. Slip that right in there. So basically, you just slip it inside the open crease thingy, and there you have it. So now I have 5 of them in my hand, and one of them looks like a double thing. So basically, I made 6 of them already. I mean 7 of them already, but I have 6 shenanigans. Ninja stars. Oh, ha! Ooh, ooh, ah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you put a like down below. Subscribe to my channel if you like this. Leave a comment. Leave a comment so they ask me some questions and stuff. And my Roblox username is JVizzleTV. If you don't know how to spell it, you can just look at my channel, create a new tab, go to Roblox, search it up, keep going to different tabs. One tab is to see how to spell my name and stuff, my nickname, whatever. And I really don't want to tell you my nickname, real name because it just feels stupid. My favorite like anime is Naruto, and my favorite superhero is, you guessed it, Batman. I'm Batman. So, if I really wanted to play Batman, this would be the Batarang. I'm gonna figure out how to do Batarangs, but I hope you enjoyed. So go subscribe to my cousin. His name is JJ. Make sure you capitalize these J's. JJ 4 _ Marcus Willis. Marcus Space Willis. Do exactly what I just said. Capitalize JJ, uncapitalized 4X. When I say time, I mean X. _ Marcus MARCUS space WILLIS. Marcus Willis. Marcus Space Willis. Make sure you go do that to see his because it's like difficult to do that. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.